3-year-old that refuses to sleep in her own room gets the perfect gift from dad to help her along. Parents decorating their children's bedroom usually just go to Home Depot, pick out yellow, pink, or blue paint, and hire someone else to do the job for them. They know the room will be destroyed as their child grows up, so they don't go crazy trying to make it look unique. One dad from Yorkshire, England, felt differently. When his little girl had a tough time sleeping, he wanted to make her bedroom special, so she'd love going to bed at night. He grabbed some paint and supplies, went to work, and created a masterpiece now seen by people all around the world. Adam and Leah Hargraves, both 27 years old, lived in Yorkshire, England. He worked in a supermarket and she designed kitchens for a living. Together they have a little 3-year-old girl named Bobby. They're your average family and have daily struggles just like the rest of us. One of their struggles was getting their daughter Bobby to sleep each night. Leah recalled, "It's a case trying to get her to go to bed at all, let alone on time." Bobby made the nighttime routine nearly impossible, and the Hargraves weren't sure what to do. Bobby would throw tantrums until she got so tired that she'd fall asleep wherever she was. This isn't what Adam and Leah wanted for their daughter, and the constant battle was taking its toll. They knew that something needed to be done to entice their girl into her own bed at a reasonable hour, but they weren't sure how to do it. At first they thought, well, she loves Disney, so maybe getting her some stuffed animals and toys to sleep with would work. It didn't. Adam realized they needed to do something grander if Bobby was going to start loving her bedroom. Adam had wanted to paint her room for years but never got around to it. He couldn't just paint a room an ordinary color though. It would have to be something spectacular. When Adam was younger, he had an interest in art, but after leaving school, he just didn't think he had what it took to become a full-time artist, even though he loved drawing and painting. He was hoping that he could at least paint something that Bobby would like. Adam kept his hidden talent a secret for quite some time. Leah didn't even know about it until she came home one night to find him busy painting their bedroom wall years before. After the initial anger wore off, she took a step back and saw just how talented her husband really was. So when he came up with the idea to paint something special on Bobby's bedroom walls, Leah was all for it. They both agreed, since their little girl loved all things Disney, that Adam would try his best to produce a Disney-themed bedroom. Adam wasted no time getting to work. He grabbed the paint, materials, and his camera. He wanted to document his work to show his progress and to one day show Bobby what he'd done for her. Adam started with the background of his painting. He wanted to combine a bunch of Disney characters she loved and turn his painting into one epic mural. He printed out a bunch of photos and movie scenes to help him with his references. The process was long and tedious. When asked about how much money he spent on paint, Adam replied, "I can't put a price on how much paint it costs to do a room like this because I'm always mixing different colors, so it's hard to work out what I've used." Adam's grand design was not completed overnight. It took him about 3 months to finally complete. Adam didn't mind. The time passed quickly doing what he loved to do. Plus, he was creating something special for his daughter. Finally, it was time to reveal the Disney mural to Bobby. Adam blindfolded Bobby and let her sit on her bed before the big reveal. He wanted to record her exact reaction as she saw her new room. All of Adam's hard work led up to this moment. He told Bobby to remove her blindfold. Adam watched Bobby's face light up as she took her first glimpse of her new room. Her face quickly turned to shock as she realized that this was her new bedroom. Adam had successfully incorporated all of Bobby's favorite Disney characters into his mural. From Ariel, Nala, Aladdin to Lady and the Tramp, Adam covered it all. Bobby could barely get the words "thank you" out before running and hugging her dad. As of 2018, Bobby loves sleeping in her room, and Adam and Leah were able to get her to go to sleep at a reasonable time without fuss. Bobby was obsessed with her Disney-themed room, and Adam was excited to get back to a hobby he loved. After posting his time-lapse on YouTube, his video quickly went viral. People were so impressed with what he'd done and began asking questions about his work. This all made Adam rethink giving up his dreams of being a full-time artist. After speaking with Leah, they both decided that Adam should pursue a career in bespoke art. They both wanted Adam to do what he loves, but they were worried that this passion for his work was just the latest viral craze, so they took things slow. They were pleasantly surprised when an influx of people expressed interest in Adam's art. He was able to make a career out of his hobby, and he was finally able to pursue his lifelong dream. Although a lot of people requested Disney art, Adam painted other famous franchise characters as well. In addition to his wall mural services, he also has experience using UV paints, canvas art, pencil and charcoal sketching, logo design, and original artwork prints. Who would have ever thought that a father's love for his daughter would lead to Adam's dreams coming true?